Hello, you. I'm so happy that you took the time to join me. My name is Kris KeyZ, and I'm the founder of ATX Music Academy, and I'm also the instructor for KeyZ Time Online Piano Crash Course. You know what, guys? I wanted to give you something special, a free piano lesson. Even if you didn't get a chance to sign up for the course yet, I want you to start playing and sounding like a professional today. And the way I'm going to do that is show you my pro freestyle trick. All right, so let's head on over to the overhead view. All right, guys, so there's a few steps you have to learn, or I teach in my piano course. But one thing you can immediately start doing right now is sounding like a pro using my 1 in 5 technique. So what that's going to do is, what I want you to do is put your hands in hand position number 1, what I call it is, that's your first finger, your thumb on C. And then we're going to put our second finger on D, E, F, and G, just like that, all right? So all 5 fingers are on the keyboard in our right hand, all right? So what you're gonna do, instead of playing your 1, all 5 fingers, kind of, you heard that scale just like that? I mean, that's a little trick if you never played that before, right? But what I want you to do is actually play your 1, your first finger, and your 5th finger, just like that, all right? And try to play those together, all right? And in our left hand, what you wanna do is freestyle. That's the trick to the whole thing. So in my left hand, I can literally play any white key that I want. And it sounds like this. So I just went up the scale playing it. But when you get more comfortable and you decide to freestyle, you can play whatever you want. Maybe. All right, guys, so that's a quick little trick for you. I so want you to be a part of the ATX Music Academy and a part of this course that I'm teaching, KeyZ Time Online. I think you'll gain a lot from it if you haven't started playing the piano. But until next time, guys, you make sure you stay creative and get to practicing. You know what time it is. It's KeyZ Time.